Sagittarius.
Hello Sagittarius, this is your forecast for September of 2013. And yes, there has been a few distress calls from you Sagittarians, and I know it is hard. And you know, this Plutonian energy going through your second house of finances have been a little rough for those of you, you know, in that first third of the sign. And it is still working its way at you, and it is breaking new grounds because Uranus is there at square, and it's kind of building that tension. It's like the tectonic plates, okay? They're like right there, and something's got to give when it slips. And this is what you're waiting for. Where is the slip? Where is that pressure release? Where, you know, where's that vent? And there was a little bit here of a ventilation that could have taken place here just recently here, a few days ago here in September. I would say here just in that first week of August, I mean, is when Jupiter and Pluto were at odds with each other in opposition. And that Pluto already had the square coming in from Uranus, so that was like a big to-do thing, okay, giving room and space for something new. Whatever was vented there at that time, I think was good for you. And for others, there's more coming in behind it. But there's good news too. You know, it's like, yes, you are shifting a whole lot of your outlook on what is important to you, Sagittarius, because your second house is ruled by Saturn. And so this Pluto has the Pluto-Saturn effect to it. The second house here in your solar scope is Capricorn, where Saturn rules. And